Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing this requested carrot juice recipe with you guys, which is so refreshing and no sugar added. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So for this recipe, I'm using 8 carrots, which I've already washed and scraped out every dirt on it. And I'm also going to be using a big thumb-sized ginger and 3 tangerine. You can also substitute it with orange if you can get orange, and some water. So right now I will start cutting the carrots to help my blender to do the job, as I am not using juicer here. So we need to slice this carrot to make it easy for the blender to work with. So after cutting in all the carrots, I will start peeling in my tangerine. But if you can get some orange, I would advise you to use some orange for this recipe, which you will enjoy it. Okay, so I couldn't get orange, so I went ahead to use some tangerine, which is also very good for the skin and refreshing. So I'm going to be taking off the peel and I will start scraping off the skin of my I will start scraping off the skin of my ginger. So after taking off the skin of the ginger, you want to also go ahead and cut the ginger so your blender can work with it. So guys, this drink is so easy to make and very refreshing, and it's also good for your skin, your eyes, as carrot is very good. So right now I will start adding them into my blender. But if you are making this for your kids, I would advise you to take off the ginger. I'm making this for myself alone, and I love the feeling and the taste of ginger. I love ginger in almost all my drinks. So I'm going to be adding some water to cover up the carrot and ginger. And right now I will cover this and blend it into a very smooth paste. I'm going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when I'm done blending, I will get a clean bowl and a sieve. And I'm going to sieve this carrot juice to take off the shaft. So guys, when I'm done sieving the juice, I will go ahead. If you want it cold, you can go ahead and add in some ice, or you can put this in your fridge to cool so you can enjoy it on a sunny day. Yes guys, so this is so simple and packed filled with nutrients and good for your body and your eyes. Yes guys, so if you want to add in some sweetness to it, I would advise you to add some honey, which is better than adding some sugar. Okay, so you go ahead and add in some honey if you want, but I love the flavor of my ginger, so I'm not adding anything to this. I'm just going to serve it and put it in my fridge to chill a little bit and enjoy. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. I hope you go ahead and make yourself some nice carrot and ginger juice to give your body the nice relaxation. Thank you so much, and don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button if you've not done so. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any of my uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up if you think the video deserves a big thumbs up. Till I see you again on my next video. To have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye. let me go ahead and sip my carrot juice to refresh and relax my body after a long day. See you guys on my next recipe, okay?